Hello everyone and welcome to my presentation on wastewater treatment. Basically, this project was developed as part of my final year study, and this is the research based project, and the main purpose of this project is focusing on the critical issue of the water treatment or the water pollution and method to treat the contaminated water effectively. As we know that the water has become the serious issue in the whole world, and in the every year due to the water many men and the women dies. So the purpose of this project is to treat the water by using the different methods or the different techniques like membrane or the other techniques that is discussed one by one on every slide. So in the first slide here we can see that the our water has been significantly damaged and continues to deteriorate due to the human activity and the growth of the chemical agriculture and pharmaceutical. Basically, our water become the very dangerous due to the human activities like the pharmaceuticals, agriculture or many chemical industries that is produce the water, and in this water many organic pollutant or the volatile organic pollutant or the many dyes that is become the very dangerous issue in the whole world, and due to this water many men and the women dies in every year. So here the textile industry in particular discharge 15%, which means that 1000 ton on every year to produce the hazard dye as effluents. Basically, the purpose of this project is to remove the dye from the water, and and this water is converted into the clean water by using the techniques like the photocatalytic degradation. So this is discussed one by one on every lecture. So along with these, a vast amount of the toxic and harmful chemicals, heavy metals, ionic liquid, and the surfactant agrochemicals. So, this is the chemical which is contaminated with the water in the textile industry. So, the other industry like the pharmaceutical industry waste, including the drugs, antibiotic waste are discharged into the fresh water. So this is the pharmaceutical industry which is produce the drug and the antibiotic waste which is contaminated with the fresh water and become the very harmful to the human life or the fish life. So organic effluents are highly carcinogenic. Organic effluent highly carcinogenic, leading to a negative impact on the sustainability of water resources, which mean that which is very effectively on the fish water or the human water resources. So the textile industry and the pharmaceutical industry, the main industry that is produce the water in which the many dyes or the organic effluent. So it is anticipated that 50% of the people will face the clean water disaster by 2025, because approximately 70% of industrial wastewater is not well treated and waste effluent is released directly into the freshwater sources, causing the severe pollution of the natural water bodies. So near the 2025, every man or the woman or the people, which is anticipated that the 50% of the people will face the clean water. So industry to produce the volatile organic compound or the water in which the organic volatile organic compounds present. So many industries like the paint industry, pharmaceutical industry, chemical mining, and printing and petrochemical industries. So this is the industry that is produce the volatile organic compound with the water. So major volatile organic compound that is present in the water, which is very harmful for the human life or the other life, like the fish water. So the acetone, formaldehyde, benzene, toluene, and xylene, and methylene chloride, and the chlorobenzene or perchloroethylene. So this is the major volatile organic compound that is present in the water. So method used for treatment of the water. Basically the method which is used for the treatment of the water, first one is the membrane suppression, second is the adsorption, third is the biological oxidation, and the fourth is the chemical oxidation. Basically the membrane suppression, in which a process that use a selective barrier to separate the contamination from the water. So this is the membrane suppression. And the adsorption, basically the method where the contaminants adhere to the surface of the solid material. This is the adsorption, and to the surface of the solid material, and usually like the activated carbon. So the third is the biological oxidation, the process where the microorganism break down the organic pollutant in the water. And the last one is the chemical oxidation. Chemical oxidation, in which involve the use of the chemical like ozone or the hydrogen peroxide to oxides and break down the pollutant. Note down that but these can generate the secondary pollutant, which require the post treatment and are inefficient for the field level of application. Basically the this is the disadvantages of this processes. This is the whole four processes. The main disadvantages is which is generate the secondary pollutant. Basically the secondary pollutant which is produced when the primary pollutant are combined together and produce the secondary pollutant, or which mean that the larger chemical reaction which is combined together and produce the secondary pollutant. So this is the main disadvantages of this method. Basically the our mission of this project is to generate the heterogeneous semiconductor photocatalysis, which is one of the promising advanced oxidation process used for the removal of the volatile organic and the pollutant from the wastewater. So basically this is the our mission of this final year project is to generate the heterogeneous semiconductor photocatalysis. And the process which is used like the advanced oxidation process. Basically the advanced oxidation process, in which a set of chemical treatment procedure designed to remove the organic and inorganic material from the water and the wastewater by oxidation through the reaction with the hydroxyl radical. So this is the advanced oxidation process technique. So the main advantages of this project is the environmentally friendly process, low cost, mild reaction condition like temperature, pressure, no generation of secondary pollutant, and greater effectiveness in the degradation of even low concentration of pollutant compared to the conventional technologies. So this is the advantages of this project, like heterogeneous semiconductor photocatalyst. So this is the introductory videos related to the wastewater. And the next video, in which we discuss the title and the which catalyst is used and the whole procedure to produce the photocatalysis or heterogeneous semiconductor photocatalysis.